I must admit I go on social media more often than not. That said, the content there is not really legit, so I don't get my news from there. I often just scroll down to see what my friends are up to. My go-to website is Netflix, which is pretty much like an online movie streaming platform. The user-friendly watching interface is provided in the sense that the web provides watchers with all the movies, genres, and trailers, which is really handy, I would say. Another thing that I am big on this website is that it is completely ad-free, which makes your movie experience uninterrupted. Yeah, some of my favorite websites do not get revamped very often, especially in terms of content. YouTube is a case in point, you know. I mean, in terms of graphic design or layout, there wouldn't be much of a change. But you do see different suggested videos every time you visit the web, which encourages you to watch more. I guess there is a mixed variety of websites that are ubiquitous in Vietnam, but taking the current COVID-19 pandemic into account, the most frequently accessed one would be the Ministry of Health portal. People are more concerned about their health than ever these days, and they usually want to access to health-related websites.